So in the last video, we talked about creation of your Google Classroom account and then creating your first class. And I really hope all of you must have finalized these particular steps. Now today we're going to discuss about these four important tabs here that let you control the entire thing. Also, we'll be changing the theme of this particular classroom. Now, there are two options here for changing the theme. The first is select theme and the second is upload photo. Now, clicking on upload photo, you can actually select a photo from your computer and upload it here. But I would rather choose a theme that they already provide. So these are the several options that you have. You have general themes, you have some English and history themes, you have themes based on mathematics and science, you have themes on arts. So this one was an arts theme. Then you have themes on sports, and you have some other generic themes that you can pick up. Of course, this is according to your choice. I will be selecting one theme. Let's say I'll be taking up this particular theme. So I say select class theme. Okay, so this changes the theme. Now, I'm going to talk about each of these tabs. The first tab that we're going to talk about is the stream tab. Now, in the stream tab, it is just like the Facebook notifications that come on your screen. So here, whatever posts you write or your students write or material you post will be shown as notifications. Of course, when we post something, you will be able to see something here. As of now, it just says communicate with your class here. The second one is classwork. Now, this is an important tab wherein you can actually create material for your students. So here you can create assignments and questions. You can use topics through which you can organize your course and the contents that you have, and you can order the way you want students to see it. So you can order the way topics come, you can order the way content in those topics emerge. Next is the People's tab. Now here you can see two things. The first is the teachers, and you can see the first teacher here is Ramanujan FTP. I created my Gmail ID using this. So I am the sole teacher added here. And then we have the students part, in which you will be seeing a list of the students who have enrolled in your course. As of now, there is nobody. And yes, of course, it says invite your students using this particular class code, which I hope you have noted down for your own classrooms. The final one is grade section, in which you will be able to see the grades of the students that have joined your course. Of course, this is empty because there are no students as of now in the course. So this is the basic layout and the control structure that you have been provided through Google Classroom, through which you can manage students, you can manage their course materials, and you can manage conversation with those students, right? So for example, if I can write something over here which will not go as of now because there is nobody, let's say a simple hello, and I say post, and you can see my post has arrived. Of course, nobody to read because there are no students. Here you can see there is an upcoming tab which actually is like a latest news tab, which tells you about the assignments that are due soon. Of course, again, there is no material posted, so you can see this empty. So now I think you have been familiarized with the basic structure of Google Classroom, and in the following videos, we will be utilizing each of these tabs. The first one, of course, would be utilizing the People tab to add teachers and add students. So I hope you have understood the basic framework and the layout, and in the next video we'll be covering the People's tab.